Hey everybody, Thomas here. And if you notice the yellowish sawdust here, and you can't really smell this, but it's a very distinctive smell, we are cutting Bodock, also known as Osage Orange, also known as hedge apple. There's a lot of different names for this wood here. This is a very hard wood, often used for fence posts, and the hedge apple name is because they'd bend these over and actually have fences made out of this. But today we're cutting these up into bow staves. So we're going to be cutting these down into unique shapes and sizes and everything in order to make bows. It's a really good wood to make bows. And afterwards, the gentleman who's getting this cut, I'll see if we can put his contact information here if you want to go ahead and look at one of these awesome bows that he built. So without further ado, I'm going to throw this on a time lapse because we are doing some very precise cutting and it's taking a lot of time here, but I want to show the cutting process, and at the end I'll go through and we'll look at the actual wood pieces that we've cut up over this 30 to 40 minutes that we're going to be cutting this. We're down to the last 3 logs. This is the smaller of the 3 logs we have on here, and the next 2 logs will be quite large. But again, these are going to be made into bows, made out of Osage Orange, also known as Bodock, and hedge apple. So stay tuned, here we go. Alright folks, we are on the last cut here of this Osage Orange. And actually you can start to see some of the carpenter ants come out of this. This is a pretty hard cutting wood. I'm pretty impressed at how hard it is. We have the last cut here. We're going to go and power through this so you can see all this beautiful yellowish sawdust come off. So here we go. Like a little reveal as I open it up.
I don't know who's enjoyed this more, me or you. Huh?
Yeah, it's always fun to cut something new and different. This is some really dense wood though.
Yeah.
This is a good one to show right here. All right, folks, so we've got the Osage Orange here. I don't know if it gets its name from the color of the wood or what, but
Yeah.
this is, it darkens up to like an orange color, doesn't it?
Dark brown.
Dark brown.
When
Okay.
the sun hits it.
Okay. So right now, this is, I guess it almost looks like a yellow pine color, but it's even more yellow, if that makes any more sense. But the camera's not doing it justice on the color, but that's really yellow.
Yeah. And the sunlight would turn it dark brown.
Dark brown. But pretty dense wood. I mean, very dense wood, I guess I should say. But as you get here towards the center and everything, this is all going to be your quarter sawn wood. I don't see any flecking in there like you would in some of your oak species, but literally hard as a rock. So I hope this has been enjoyable. It's something new and exciting on the mill. Every time I cut a first time of any kind of wood, I like to show it on video. So yeah, I can't wait to see the finished product. So what I'll do is I'll see if I can put some of your a link. Do you have a website or something like that?
It.
Okay. Well, as soon as we get something, we'll put something on there. So if people are interested in seeing what the finished product of this looks like into bows, we'll have it there. All right, y'all, stay tuned and we'll see you around. Thanks. All right, folks, I have literally got 4% battery, so I got to make this quick. These are all the bow staves with a V that we got out of all the Osage Orange. Quite a bit there. Also, I'll have to show in another video, we actually got a slab. Maybe I'll throw a picture. That's what I'll do. I'll throw a picture at the end of this video of two book match slabs that came out of this that are absolutely gorgeous, but they're where the carpenter ants got into it. So we're going to try to see if we can get that sold. It'd be perfect for an epoxy project. So, but yeah, these look phenomenal. This is very hard wood. And the kids were playing with it because apparently if you put enough of it in water, it's water soluble, you can make a dye out of it. So that's something we're going to play with the kids here in a second, see if we actually make some yellow dye. So stay tuned for more. Always something new on the sawmill. We'll see you around. Thanks.